Well, so your brand story kind of explains how your brand came about. It might explain your brand personality, the reasons why you're doing things. And I think when customers read these, they get more of a feel that this brand was created by a human being. And another good way to personalize is to add your own images. I've seen a lot of pet treat pouches where people actually include their pets on their pouches. And I think that's super fun and a great way to kind of personalize your packaging.
Well, I think one of the things too that now is like a kind of a big trend is the brand exuding whatever the values are of the company. And so the consumer can actually align their values with companies. And it's not really necessarily about price so much as they're doing good for the community. They're, buy a pair of shoes, give a pair of shoes, or buy this and plant a tree, or whatever those values may be. There's a lot of companies out there that are expressing those values and expressing doing something towards the community or the global good or those kinds of things. And if that's where you want to align your values to, adding something like that to the packaging, I think is important as well. Because there's a lot of consumers right now that are doing, value-based decision making when it comes to buying things. So
for sure.
Also a good opportunity to tie it in. Maybe you have a social media campaign. I've seen a few products that don't just have a social media handle. They'll actually have like, hey, show us how you use your product. Use this hashtag. Share how you're using our product. So that's a good way to kind of tie a social media campaign into your packaging.
And actually, kind of going off of that, QR codes as well.
Oh yeah.
Because those can take you to social media on their websites.
Absolutely. Yeah. And I've actually had some customers that when we've done Design for Me that have multiple QR codes and it directs them to different things. One company in particular, they had a QR code that took you to your website, but then they had a QR code that took you to a video that they had made about their product as well. So so it can direct you to a lot of different places.
Yeah, there's a newer service I'm aware of called Linktree that lets you kind of tie all your various social media things into one landing page. So you just have one QR code that takes you to your Linktree page, and that would show whoever scanned it links to all of the various platforms and your site and anything else you want.